Hello, I hope that you can hear me well and you can also see me. Please just let me know into the comment section if everything is okay, because today we just testing a totally new platform for the streaming, and basically the stream should be online on the YouTube and on the LinkedIn. So we will start basically in next 2 minutes. I just check at this moment that everything working properly, and after that we can slowly jump in. So I just really quickly check if we are live on the LinkedIn, and it seems that we are live there, but there is some delay, so great. And I will check also the YouTube that we are live also here. Amazing. Thank you. I just received the first comments, so seems that everything working properly. As a first, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Thomas, and I'm working at Leadspicker as Chief Operation Officer slash Product Officer, and basically the Leadspicker is a platform for the sales automation. I just try to share my screen. Basically, Leadspicker is a platform for the sales automation where we combine the multiple workflows with the LinkedIn and email outreach. And basically, today's topic of this webinar will be the setup one of the lead generation campaigns from the scratch to normal active outreach. In terms of a campaign that I will set it up during today's webinar, will be the campaign that will target to my profile visitors. And I will basically directly jump in. So what we need to have for the setup the campaign. I will show that in a Leadspicker platform, and I will also show you some things what you can do with the Sales Navigator account if you have it. So as a first, as I mentioned, I would like to start the campaign that basically will target to my profile visitors. So I just opened the Sales Navigator. If you do not know where to find the Sales Navigator, you can. I just see that I did not present my screen correctly. So I will start again. As I mentioned on the beginning, this is still the testing of a new platform. Because of that, we also did not promote this webinar that much as a normal ones. So again, I will start from the scratch. So as a first, we will need basically the Sales Navigator account. The Sales Navigator you will find out directly here into this corner. When you click to the Sales Nav, you just got a little bit different interface, and at this moment we are interested into lead filters. In a lead filters, we are interested into this filter viewed your profile recently. When I open that, I just see there the people that recently visited my profile, but they did not write me. So those people can be the potential. Buyers. What I would like to do as a next, at this moment, I have there the list of all people. But some of them are my first degree connection, and I would like to filter out all first degree connection. So I go through the best in path, and I will basically choose the connection, and I will choose that I'm interested into second degree connection and into third degree connections. At this moment, you can add some additional filters like geography location, the filter based on the job titles, and etc. Basically, you can use every of those additional filters, but at this point, those additional filters are not that important for me, like those. At this moment, I just need to copy basically the link for the search. And at this moment is a time for the Leadspicker to run the proper automation. In the meantime, I will answer another question. Will a recording of the webinar be available? Yes, the recording will be available directly here on the LinkedIn and also on the YouTube. So after we finish the webinar, the recording should be already available. And I go continue. At this moment, we are in a Leadspicker platform, and we will start the automation from the scratch. So I will click here, start from scratch, and I will name it like webinar profile visitors. At this moment, I will choose as a data source the robot because I would like to proceed that automatically. In a robot, basically the relevant one for my use case is a LinkedIn People Search robot. So I will click on LinkedIn People Search, and here I put basically the URL from the Sales Navigator. At this moment, I just click here to scrape everyone. The people can work anywhere, and I will choose my LinkedIn because I would like to have my profile visitors, not profile visitors of my colleagues. The important thing is in advanced settings, how often we would like to run this automation. In my point of view, I would like to get the updated contact list every day. So I will choose there every day. And by the end, the automation will work that somebody visit my profile. I will basically automatically send them the connection request with some message. After that, I will show you the which message I will basically will use for this use case. And that day after that, again, the robot will go through all my profile visitors. And if there will be some of the new leads, they will be automatically added by the automation into the campaign, and they will be automatically added also into the sequence. In next few minutes, I will show you how to set up some additional filtration because not every profile visitor is the relevant lead for me. So basically, we need to also filter out a little bit based on the job titles, based on the company descriptions, and etc. But for now, I just set it up the robot, and I can click here directly. I can click here directly to create a robot. And at this moment, basically, as you can see, the robot is already running. But because the robot just taking a little bit time when basically go to the LinkedIn, check all the people that visited and etc. So I just prepare the contact list during today morning, basically of record. So I will basically speed up the process, and I will click directly to project that I prepared of record. But as you can see, the robot is the similar. The link is the similar for the Sales Navigator. As you can see, basically the pretty same link, the pretty same filter, but it was finished before webinar. And at this moment, as an output from the robot, I have there around 300 different people, as you can see. In terms of those 300 people, not every person is relevant for me. And at this moment, I would like to do some basic filtration. So as a first, I'm interested in those companies because we are selling only into B2B companies. So as a first, I would like to classify if those companies are B2B or B2C. So I will start from scratch. And as a first, I just go to the magic columns. And in the magic columns, I just need to enrich additional information which I will use for the classification. So I will choose that I need the additional LinkedIn company description. And after that, I need also the website summarization. What website summarization is? Basically, the website summarization is, again, the description of a company. One of our robot goes directly to the website of a company, and we'll take a look to the text of the website, like here, and it will make the summarization of what company do, basically from the content directly on the website. So at this moment, as you can see, I just start enriching the additional information. I just try to refresh if I will able to speed up that. And as you can see, I already have there the first company descriptions from LinkedIn and first descriptions from the website. So I will start with another magic column, and the another magic column is this B2B/B2C. As you can see here, I am using the fields LinkedIn company description and website description, and this is a prompt for the ChatGPT. Based on a company description, decide if the company is a B2B or B2C. So I will basically click on the preview to see how this prompt works. And as you can see, it's giving me the replies directly if the company is B2B or B2C. So here I just click on the submit. And I will slowly continue with additional classification. I would like to also, for the beginning, because we are mainly selling into the, basically we are mainly selling directly to CEOs, to business development managers, and basically to the senior position. So I will take a look and filter out all the non-relevant people based on the job title. So in terms, what I will use for the filtration, basically to filter out all the non-relevant job titles, will be the function called AI column. I just click here to the AI column, and I just name this column like AI, job title relevancy check. And here I just write a prompt. So please take a look on the input where is the job title of a person when person is CEO, founder, co-founder. After that, also the COO, CRO, sales manager, business development manager, or any related position to sales or business development. Reply yes. In other cases, reply no. Here is the input of person job title. And here I will paste basically the position as a field to this prompt. And I will run the classification to see the preview. And as you can see, if I remember correctly, the first guy is a CEO, and I just got the reply yes. So I just submit. And basically, as you can see, the first job title is really CEO. After that, we can think if basically should we a little bit extend the criteria for also the rest of the job titles, like is here the managing partner and etc. But in my point of view, I will keep the prompt as it is right now. And after that, I will continue. I will continue with other thing, and the other thing is to take a look where the persons are located, because we are based in the Czech Republic. So for all profile visitors that are also based in the Czech Republic, I would like to utilize the message in Czech language, but for the other people outside the Czech Republic, I would like to utilize outreach message directly in English. So I will continue with another one prompt, and I will basically continue with magic column. And as a first, I just need to have the person country for the input. And when I searching for the person country, I will in meanwhile I will utilize, I will basically utilize the prompt to classify if the person is a Czech or not. Czech. And here, please take a look in the input, and when person is from Czechia or Slovakia. Also, the Slovakia is a country next to Czechia, and basically we are using almost similar language. So I will also add this into the prompt. Please take a look in the input, and when person is from Czechia or Slovakia, please reply yes. In other cases, reply no. And here we just need to input person country, and here I just put there the person country, and as you can see, the fourth contact is from Czech Republic. So when I click on the preview, here the fourth contact should be the yes. So I go back to the prompt, and I will utilize this thing later in this video. I will show you why I just turn on also this feature. So here I just click into the submit. And at this moment, when I decided to split out to the Czech and to rest of the world, the Czech people and also the people in Slovakia, we just using something called vocatives, is a different part of a name. So I also need to transform their first name into the vocatives. So I just again add the vocative directly here and click to the submit. This is more likely the personalization directly in the messages, and I will basically slowly continue. So here I have the vocatives basically in a Czech. For the Czech viewers, they know really well what it is. For the other viewers, this is really specific for the European countries. And at this moment, I will basically add there some additional filter. And basically, I would like to create at this moment the condition for the outreach that company needs to be B2B, and job title needs to be relevant. So as a first, I just go to the magic column, and I will add there outreach yes. And please take a look in the input, and when company is B2B and job title is yes, reply yes. In other cases, reply no. So I will add there the additional things as an input. So I will add there as a first. I will add there basically the modal and input, and as the first is a business model slash if company is a B2B or not, and the second job title. And here I will add the variable from the job title relevancy check. And again, I will basically turn on this filter. And at this moment, I just click to the submit. And I will again to speed up a little bit by refreshing that, and is still loading. So let's see. At this moment, I just basically turn off the cam, and I just going to find the outreach message that basically we will use for the outreach. And yeah, so give me a second, and so here we have an outreach message. Again, I will add the screen back, and basically here this is an outreach message that I basically prepare for this campaign, and this is a Czech version, and this is the English one. As you can see, this outreach message is not pushy; it's really neutral. And if you decide to target to your profile visitors, I highly recommend to also use something just like that. That is not that pushy. So at this moment, we go to slowly finish the campaign settings. So I go back to the Leadspicker. As you can see, I have there the final classification, outreach yes, and if you can see, job title is yes, B2B is yes. So if basically there is a matching the criteria, I just get yes. In other cases, I just got a no. So at this moment, I can go directly to the sequence. And here in a sequence, I just show you why for some leads I just turning on the feature use as a condition in a sequence tree. So the reason is when I decide to use something as a condition in a tree, I will have there the additional conditions there. So as you can see, this is a column that we created called the outreach yes. So I will start with that. So if they are fit for the outreach, I'm interested. I just need to have two different branches. The first branch will be for the Czech people, and the second branch will be basically for the other people from other countries. So I will start at this moment with another step. As a first, I'm interested if I'm already connected with a person or not. In that, I am interested in both scenarios. After that, if I'm not connected with a person, I would like to start with the connection request. So I will start at this moment with a connection request for the English-speaking people. So I will click here to the connection, and here I just add the connection, and here I basically put the outreach message that I basically show you. So I just copy that, paste it to the sequence, Here I just exchange the variables. So I just delete this thing and add there the first name. And that's basically pretty much all. So I just click to the save. And I will set it up also the outreach message for the Czech people. So I will again click here to the connection request, but I change this message to the Czech one. So I just click here. Here I just exchange the first name vocative, and click to the save. At this moment is pointing that I need to fix some variables. So in a list, there should be some person without variable fields. So I've basically to filter out, and there is some people where is missing a name. We can basically solve this issue on two different levels. The first level is directly in a sequence, basically when we are automatically skipping the rows where we are missing the variables. So we don't need to solve that manually. So at this moment, I can click to the start sequence, or if I would like to also basically hide this banner, I can go to the contacts and basically show the contacts where is a missing variable and delete those. But this is not required. And at this moment, in few seconds, basically the fixed variables should be, as you can see, there is not no banner that showing to fixed variables. At this moment, in the sequence settings, I will basically check it out that I have connected my LinkedIn account. I can set it up the time. I will start at 7 the morning, and I will end it up basically at 7 at the evening. And in terms of outreach days, I will also turn on the weekends, because why not? If somebody visited me over the weekend, I would like to again basically reach out to him directly over the weekend. So here I just hitting the save button. Before I hit the start sequence, I will check it out again if I set it up the conditions correctly. So outreach, yes, and the check people also make sense. So here I just go back to the sequence, and here for the yes, I have the Czech speaking people. For no, I have the English speaking people. Here I have an English outreach message. I can check it out again. I have everywhere my signature, and here I have basically the Czech outreach message. And at this moment, I can basically feel free and hit the start button and click to the start sequence. And basically the sequence should start basically in a few minutes. As you can see, there is an option to pause the sequence, but at this moment the sequence already already running. In terms of today's webinar, that's basically pretty much all. During this webinar, we just set it up really easy, straightforward campaign for everyone that visit our profile. That visit our profile will be added automatically by robot to the Leadspicker. In a Leadspicker table, there will be automatically proceed the classification. As I show you, I just show you the classification based on the job titles, based on the company type, based on the location of a person. So you can apply that for your specific use cases. And after that, we also set it up basically the whole sequence. And at this moment, we're just waiting for the first outreach messages, and basically that's the pretty much all. And in terms of upcoming webinar, happy to show you the results from this campaign. If there will be some higher, if there will be some response rate, happy to show you. For the exchange, I would like to also hear the feedback on this concept of a webinar, because before that, most of the webinars proceed over the Google Meets, but we just testing out the new platform. So happy to hear the feedback. If the video was stable, if sound was stable, and etc. In terms where you can find me, you can basically reach out to me directly on my LinkedIn. Basically, this is my LinkedIn, so you can reach out to me. You can reach out to me there, or with feedback, or with any question. If you would like to basically set it up the similar automation for you, again. Basically, I will mention that I am from a company called Leadspicker, and the whole automation was set it up directly inside the Leadspicker platform. So feel free to reach out to me. Also happy to help you to set it up, the automations directly for you. And that's pretty much all from my side. So I wish you have a nice rest of the day, and see you. Goodbye.